Hi there! Ever feel like it's hard to stay motivated every single day? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll share simple, practical tips to help you stay inspired and achieve your goals. Let's get started. The way you start your day sets the tone for the rest of it. Wake up early, take a moment to breathe or meditate, and write down your top priorities for the day. A clear mind means a focused day. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Instead, break them into smaller, manageable steps. Each step you complete will give you a sense of achievement and keep you motivated to move forward. Don't wait for the big finale to celebrate. Reward yourself for small wins along the way. Finish that tough assignment, celebrate with a treat or a mini dance party. You deserve it. Motivation is contagious. Surround yourself with supportive people, read inspiring books, or listen to motivational podcasts to keep your energy high. Your body and mind work together. Regular exercise, healthy eating, and staying hydrated keep your energy levels up and your mind sharp. Visualization is a powerful tool. Take a few minutes each day to picture yourself achieving your goals. This simple habit can fuel your drive and keep you motivated. Thanks for watching. Remember, staying motivated is a daily practice. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Stay motivated, and we'll see you next time.